So today we're going to be talking very briefly about isosceles and equilateral triangles, trying to figure out what special relationships exist among the sides of angles with isosceles and equilateral triangles. All of this should be like a review, correct? Y'all heard of isosceles and equilateral, correct? I've heard of them, but I don't remember how to do them. So it's not that hard. Proof theorems about isosceles and equilateral triangles and apply those theorems. Little key terms: legs, vertex angle, base, and base angles. Okay, first of all, you might want to just draw this picture. Okay, you might want to draw the diagram here. You don't really, I really am more concerned that you know this right here. Most concerned that you know that right there. Okay, an isosceles triangle has at least two congruent sides. The congruent sides are called the legs. The vertex angle is the angle formed by the legs. The side opposite the vertex angle is called the base. And the base angles are the two angles that have the base as a side. That is a lot of work to do to say that. If you look opposite of the congruent sides of an isosceles triangle, you'll have the base angle. And the other angle is called the vertex. Okay? Yeah, I'm recording. It's going to pop up. I don't know. Pop up. I'm going to play today. So, are there any questions about that when I refer to things? When I refer to things as base angles, legs, vertex angle, hopefully we get those things down, okay? All right, a couple theorems. If you know these, don't worry, but I'm just going to tell you what they are, okay? Here is the crux of what you'll need to know, right over here. Okay, look how easy this is, and it's going to be really important. So we got right triangles coming up soon, and you're going to need to know this terminology. The isosceles triangle theorem is that if two sides of a triangle are congruent, angles opposite those sides are congruent as well. When I talk about an opposite angle, angle B is opposite side AC. Angle C is opposite side AB. If side BA and side CA are congruent, then angle B and angle C are congruent. All of you are desperately wanting to know why. I'll tell you. Triangles are proportional. Triangles are proportional, okay? And since they're proportional, the angles that are opposite the side lengths are proportional to each other. When those side lengths happen to be congruent, strange things happen with the angles. They're congruent as well. The converse of the triangle theorem, of the isosceles triangle theorem, just says if two base angles are congruent, then the opposite sides are congruent. So if angle E and F are congruent, the side opposite E, which is DF, is congruent to the side opposite F, which is DE. Anytime I've got two congruent sides in a triangle, the base angles are congruent, which means that the angles opposite them are congruent, And I have nice opposite terms. Right? Moving on. So let's see this in action. Okay. I'm asked to find the measure of angle F. Here's what I know. Side DE and side EF are congruent. If you're not looking up here, you're going to miss the whole lesson. You're going to make me a whole lot of math. Okay? I'm going to let you know. You don't have classwork on this. If you get to test, where you go over that? By golly, yes, we did. It could be. Okay? If these two sides are congruent, somebody tell me what angles are congruent. Thank you. Okay? That means that angle D and angle F are congruent to each other. In math, if I don't know what an angle measurement is, I'll put an X involved. Well, I don't know what the measure of angle D is, so I put an X. And if D is congruent to F, and I just labeled D as X, what am I going to label F? X. How many degrees are in every triangle, Gurney? Perfect. So 22 plus X equals 180. Lucas Patrick, how many X's do I have? Wrong, I have 0. But 2X plus 22 equals 180. Lucas, what do I do next? What? What does that equal, Lucas? Yeah. 2X equals 158. What do I do next, Lucas? Perfect. That's just going to be 79. Just teach you some geometry. All right. So, trick question. Ian, what's the measure of angle D? What's the measure of angle F? What's the measure of angle E? That Grizzle, if D to E is 10, what's the measure of EF? What's the measure of D to F? No, you don't know. There's no way to know that. You gotta have more information. Oh, the fun that comes with. Okay. So you need to write this. Do you know what an equilateral triangle is? Did you get past fourth grade? Past 8th grade. No. Did some of y'all like skip a few?
Yes. You really think I'm that small? I don't even know what I did.
But I bet if I asked you what role you had in Charlie Brown,
Not today. I was in a hurry.
Heather, you like yelling really loud? What's your sister? Oh, you're the other kid. So, that's right. Yeah, but I thought you were like, oh, what's your sister's name? Haley. Oh. I thought I was teaching Snoopy the whole time. All right. Equilateral triangle. If a triangle is equilateral, then it is equiangular. That's not hard, is it? Guess what the other corollary says? If the triangle is equiangular, it's equilateral. Guys, if you see three equal angles, automatically you can say there's three equal sides. If you see three equal sides, automatically you can say there's three equal angles. This should be the most simple thing that we do in the triangle. Okay? Don't make this complicated. Got me? There's certain things in life you don't want to make complicated. Right there. You see three equal sides, you automatically can say there's three equal angles. If you see three equal angles, you can automatically say there's three equal sides. Then you can really use your thinking and you can say, wait a minute, if I have three equal sides, each angle has to be 60 degrees. That's level 2. Right? I'll give those who need it 32 seconds. Oh, cut it in half. 16 more seconds. Just prepping you for college.
And you're like, I don't care. I don't care.
Why are you here? 3, 2, 1. All right, how would I do this? Check it out. If I wanted to know what x was equal to, or find the value of x, Ms. Faulkner, how many equal sides are there? Which means how many equal angles are there? If there's 3 equal angles in a triangle, each angle has to be how many degrees? Yeah. You said 180, but remember our warm up, 180 divided by 3.
I did not say 180. Quit saying things I didn't say.
Okay, let me tell you what you definitely didn't say. What do I do to find the value of x then? What if I said 5x minus 40? You would have said it equal to 60, correct? What if I had said comma x times 14 equals 60, right? So on and so forth, okay? All right, I want y'all to write these 5 problems down. You do not have to work out. You can ignore 4. I don't like my fractions. 1, 2, 3, and 5. I'm going to give you 6 minutes to write them down, to work them out. They should not take long at all. All right. CJ, was that you? What'd you get for number 1? Where's the work? No, right? I gave you 6 minutes to write it down. Ray, what'd you get for number 1? Oh, okay. You guys are up. First one to get it gets 100. Second one gets a 0. Go. First one to give you the answer, the correct answer for number 1, it's 100. And the other person gets a 0. 100 before 1. Today. We don't have password today.
Not sure.
You
still got a grade today.
You're
still in participation. I'm not sure how to do this. I tried to make
Still waiting. Great, 28. What? 28. Down by 100.
I'm a genius.
Oh, you are?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, I'll say what I did.
All or nothing. Oh, I don't know what you do instead of equal to each other, solve for x, plug x back in. You're like, that's 9 is x. I prayed all or nothing. Double or nothing.
Double or not?
Double or nothing. Double or nothing. Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. You versus Faith. Number 2.
Oh my
Ready?
God.
Go. Yes, ma'am. Okay. Let's see here. 180 minus 28. 28. What? Oh, sorry, Brandon, got a 0 again. All right. Oh, but that's so true. I thought you were a genius.
She cheated. She had voice activation on the calculator.
All right. CJ, you want redemption? The first thing I would say is listen to me when I say write them down in words and nouns. You have 6 minutes. I solved for R. Oh, you did great. That wasn't the question I asked. All right. CJ, you want redemption? We'll take a hack at it. You don't have anything to wager, so I guess we'll go. We'll give you. We'll go from a 0 today to somewhere in the 80 range. I get a 0. Okay. Gabby. And let's see here. Grizzle. Go work. Grizzle, number 3. Ready? Go. 50. 50.
I feel like people told me that.
It's an eagle. No. But we'll give you a 0 tomorrow. Okay? Sorry, man. I just did it. That's how it works.
Wait.
What do you do here? X equals 20.
X should equal 20 because
I said it before
we
you.
said 4x minus 20 equal to 60.
So, CJ, if I had asked for the angle measure, you would have said 60. Okay? But what did I ask you? So each angle, guys, each angle is equal to 60 degrees. So I take whatever I'm given for my angle measurement, set it equal to 60, and then solve for x. Simple algebra tells me that x is 20. You guys aren't really getting 0s, don't worry. I'm not active. Throw a little humble pie your way. All right. So what do I do here? What would x equal? 4 seconds. 3, 2, 1. What do you get? For number 5. What? No, check it out. How many isosceles triangles do I have? Number 5. Walker, you look comfortable. How many isosceles triangles do I have in number 5? Huh?
Oh my God. I didn't say one.
I'm gonna move you up here. You can't start doing this a little bit
I
better.
was telling.
Walker, how many isosceles triangles do I have in number 5? 2. The opposite angles in isosceles triangle are what? Fill in the blank. What? Congruent. So this angle right here is congruent to this angle over here, correct? If this angle is congruent here, on this particular triangle, these two angles are also congruent. So if those two are congruent, what would X equal here? Okay. Any questions on that?
Yep, yep.